now. Hello, hello. Trying out my Osmo for the very first time here in Jomtien, Pattaya, Thailand. It's a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Just giving it a whirl here. Hello.
Hello.
So I'm just trying this out. So there probably will be some mistakes in this video, but it's really interesting, the Osmo 360, because you can do panorama, which allows you to do 360 all at once. And right now I have it on just the forward mode, the single lens mode. So I can switch forward and back on the lens by just hitting a button here on the camera. On the 360 mode's excellent because you just film one shot. So, yep. Okay, so my little microphone's down here. Shows a microphone that's a little bit high on my camera, but there's a lot of ambient noise. So there's also a windscreen you can put on this thing. So that's something I want to try later as well, to see if it makes a difference in the sound. It's a bit windy today, so hopefully it's not too, that sound. Okay, let me just show you from the front here. They're renovating the beach, which I wish they wouldn't do because it's really ruining the environment. But they have been doing a pretty good job. The great thing is they haven't destroyed the trees, so that's wonderful. I'd be really upset if they took the trees down. So if you're not familiar with Jomtien, that's okay. I have several videos on my YouTube that you can look at around Jomtien. That building right in front of you, what you see, the really big one, it's called Copacabana. Sorry, I said that wrong. Copacabana, can say that correctly. And that is the first project, and the one over there, that's the second project, the one way over there. This is the beach house. And some other condos around here. So yeah, one of the reasons why we want to do a video now is we want to feed some squirrels. The squirrels here are nuts. Because of this barrier, they're super, super hungry because they don't get fed every day. So when you have peanuts like this, they go really crazy. Aw, lovely squirrels. Actually, we should go inside.
No, I don't want because today they're working.
Oh, that's true. They're working inside. Yeah.
Look at over here.
It's too bad we can't go inside. Yeah, there's all kinds of them. Yeah. Hi, guys.
Oh, I think they're scared too.
Yeah, they're scared to jump over here. So if you keep going straight down that way for another, let me see, 3-4 kilometers, you get into what's called Na Jomtien, which literally means not Jomtien, which is a really funny name. But they've been renovating the beach from that end and coming this way. And I'm not sure where they're going to end. I just hope that when they get down to that end, or not too far from that end, that they stop. Because beyond that down there is a beach called Jomtien, and Jomtien's a really special beach with lots and lots of beautiful trees. Wow, look at the squirrels, they're going nuts. Wow, they don't want to jump because they're a little bit nervous. Lots of beach squirrels, they're really hungry, you can tell. Oh, yeah, sure enough, here comes the birds. As a rule, if you're going to feed squirrels, feed them nuts that have no salt or oil on them, just dry roasted. They love that. No spices or anything, just plain roasted peanuts. Okay, let me. Oh, we've got a lot of Brazil nuts here. Let's see here. Can I try? Yeah, we can go. Yeah, the guy's going in there, but
Go on.
okay. Here. There you go. Okay, there that guy's eating. Come on. Oh, I don't know if they're gonna jump. They're a little bit afraid. Come on. Oh, here's another one. Oh, that's a bird.
Okay, good.
Okay, they're not gonna jump. That's too bad. Unfortunately, we can't go
Some.
back behind this barrier. These people did, but there's actually people working back there, so we don't want to go back there. Let me just give you a quick shot back behind here. Yeah. So you can see how the beach renovation in progress. There's not a lot of people here. Bobby, come here. I'm gonna go back here. I wanna feed the squirrels. Here, give me the nuts. Give me the nuts. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna feed them. There's nobody working around here. Okay, here they go. Here. Oh, they're gonna go crazy. Hi guys. Okay. Okay, wait. Come on. Okay. Here. Oh, jeez. Okay, no fighting. Oh God. Here. Oh, they're crazy. Yeah, they're super. Oh shit. I dropped a bunch. Oh, the birds are going nuts. Okay. Wow. It's really hard to feed them because they're so hungry. They're so intense. Yeah, it's difficult to feed them. All right, sorry guys, I can't feed you. The birds are eating all your food. You guys are too anxious. Here. Okay, I got one. Okay, here, have another one. Here. Oh well, the birds are going at it. That's all right. Okay. One more nut. One nut left. One nut. See? One nut. Okay, here, you get it. Come on. Here. Okay, he got it. Okay, gotta be careful here. There's a lot of steel and stuff. Yeah, so anyway, you can see over there how much of a project this is. It's very, very big. Beautiful day. The recent renovation of the beach is much better because the sand they're using is more smooth. The original renovation, the sand was full of shells and you couldn't really walk on it because it was hurting your feet.
Finished?
Yeah, we're finished.
They're dropping them on the quarter.
Yeah, it's too big. So, you see behind me. Gorgeous place. This is why I call this home. You can always come here, relax, eat great food, enjoy the wonderful environment. Yeah, it's hot right now. It's May, right? April and May are the hottest months of the year here in, well, not just in Thailand, but in Southeast Asia. It's the hottest time of the year. And if, where you are on the globe, that tells you why it's the hottest time of the year, because the way the sun is located, right? Because then we're about 12 degrees north. So right now the sun's pretty much over our head. Yep. Beautiful, lovely, lovely place. Hello.
Hi.
So you haven't met Renee yet, Mike and Renee. So it's living vicariously through Mike and Renee.
Only through Mike.
Nah, it's Mike. Yeah, it's just Mike, but it's also Renee too. Oh yeah. Okay, let me see if I can see the moon up here. Maybe difficult to see it, but the moon is lovely. It's a lovely sky, actually. Oh, there's a gym I work out at. The Jomtien Gym. And if you come here and you want to, use the gym for breakfast, go to the clubhouse. It's fantastic. Really good food and very friendly people. And they have all kinds of TVs playing sports and around the world, it can be anything from snooker to basketball to hockey. I've even seen hockey. And it's a great place to enjoy your breakfast. So I usually come here to work out in the morning and then go have breakfast there. Well, anyway, folks, just wanted to give you a short little film. This is my Osmo 360 debut, so hopefully this worked out really well. And hopefully the video is okay, so we can keep using this camera next time in better environments. The great thing about the Osmo, it's also waterproof, so I can even take this in the pool. Hopefully we go diving, and then we can take it diving. That'll be fantastic. Or snorkeling. Okay, that's all for now. Take care.